You're watching a video on the 1964 Plymouth Valiant that we have here at Fortis Auto Group. This vehicle is a little bit different than all the other vehicles that we have in inventory because it is a classic and it's been kept in super good condition, which you'll see as I walk around the vehicle as well as turn it on so you can hear it for yourself. This vehicle is powering a carbureted V8 318 automatic engine. So now that we're inside the 1964 Valiant, we can show all of its 1964 features, such as this window control, automatically powered by my hand.
That's how you know it won't break.
That's how you know it won't break. A little swivel, that is your natural AC when you're at top speeds. We have not one, not two, but 3 cigarette holders, 4, 5 actually, because your backseat drivers also need it. One moment, technical difficulties. Back here we have another automatic door opener, so you can get your air back there. We have our horn. Safety. So we got the engine started, our rear view mirror, our one mirror on the side, on the left side. You have your light controls, your wipers, you have your speedometer here, it does go up to 110. You have your gas, your alternator, and your temperature. Then you have your lighter, and oh, we've got some AC happening right now. That's the fan, so temperature control, defroster, straight up. It's kind of like a plane, if you think about it. You have your sun visor right over here. Give it a little bit of gas so you can hear that. That's American muscle right there. You have plenty of room in this vehicle, a lot of visibility from the visibility in these windows is absolutely insane. And not to mention the gorgeous red interior that this vehicle has is untouched. It's a classic as it is. White with red interior, doesn't get better than that. This is your back trunk space. You can see that in the 60s, you could fit a lot in a car and take a lot with you. To come and check out this classic 1964 Plymouth Valiant, give us a call at 702-399-4527 and you will catch us inside. See you.